Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back, everybody. I hope you all had a great weekend, but we are headed into Christmas week now. We are just 2 days away. 29 degrees. At least it does feel wintry out there in Helena. First day of winter was on Saturday, by the way. Does not feel like winter or Christmas in Great Falls. We are at 41, feels like 32 with a southwest wind currently at about 20 miles an hour. Here's the rest of the states, mostly the western half of the state into the upper 20s to low 30s with a few 40s showing up in the north central plains. Out in eastern Montana, colder part of the state, once again, winter arrived early for places like Glasgow and Glendive, even up to Plentywood there, the teens and low 20s. Wind speed right now, a little bit breezy out there in the plains. Everybody else is mostly calm right now, and due to that, a dense fog advisory has been issued pretty much from Malta all the way east to the Montana-North Dakota border until about 4 o'clock today. So we have low temperatures. Meeting those dew points are not really going to warm up that much today, so fog could stick around for most of the day today, at least for the area around Great Falls. Mostly clear right now, but if we look off towards the east, Malta, 0 mile visibility up there. So if you're traveling on Highway 2 this morning, be careful and keep your distance. So right now there is a little bit of snow west of the Continental Divide, but as we saw a little bit earlier, it is starting to die off now as it crosses over the divide. We do have a little bit of stable air on the eastern side of that is making these snow showers go away, but still some light snow possible for places like Phillipsburg, out to Deer Lodge, the southern Missoula Valley here near Hamilton, the Bitterroots. We're seeing a little bit of some snow and rain earlier, but most dry now, even up into the northern part of the state. That snow has dissipated as well. Lots of rain and snow into parts of Idaho, some showers near Seattle, but mostly dry conditions to the west of Idaho. Some snow going on near the Great Lakes this morning, places like Chicago, Green Bay. Some snow if you're traveling out to that region of the country for Christmas. Might have a little bit of some delays. But going into the rest of this morning, some showers will be around. I think this model here is overdoing what we're seeing because we're already starting to see a decrease in the coverage of those showers as they cross over the divide. So Helena could see a little bit of a rain-snow mix throughout the rest of this morning. Great Falls, a little bit of some rain possible as far north as maybe northern Great Falls. But I think for the most part, a mostly dry morning here. But going into this afternoon, a few remaining rain showers making their way towards eastern Montana. And then tomorrow morning, could be looking at a little bit of some precipitation. I'm not quite sure if that's going to reach the ground, though, due to just some drier conditions out there tomorrow morning. But there will be some precipitation over our heads near the Rocky Mountain front. Mostly dry during the day. We will see increasing cloud cover. And then for those white Christmas lovers, well, parts of southwest Montana could be looking at a little bit of snow. In the lower elevations, maybe some flakes here in Helena, but waking up Christmas morning, maybe some snow in the mountains at least, if you look off into the higher elevations, but at least in the Helena Valley, likely not a lot of snow to fall here. And then that covers decreases going into Christmas Day, mostly dry day for the state. Precipitation through next week. Now we could be looking at a little bit more significant snow Sunday and Monday of next week. Notice Helena into that accumulation now. So that's something we're gonna have to pay attention to going into next week, along with some colder temperatures. But at least for this week, we'll be into the 40s once again, 50s for places like Great Falls, but winter is on its way to end December.